How do you make money so fast it feels illegal? Most people think that to make 10k, 20k, even 50k per month requires an insane amount of hard work or some secret, extremely complex formula. But when you understand that business is just numbers, mathematics, making money becomes predictable, almost too easy. And the reason why most people stay broke is actually pretty simple. They focus on the wrong business models. They chase low-ticket products, dropshipping, businesses with low profit margins, high cost, and insane competition. But if you want to make real money and fast, you need to sell high-ticket coaching or services. And before you say, but I don't have a service to sell, let me tell you this, you don't even need to be the one delivering the services. So today, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can build a high-ticket coaching or service business and get it to $10,000 per month as quickly as possible, even if you don't know what to do and you've got no previous experience. My name is Fred and I grew up in a lower middle class family. My parents are nurses and we often lacked money, which is why I always had the drive to work extremely hard and to become financially free. And after failing countless times and trying every business model online and listening to all of the bad advice given by the big gurus, I finally cracked the code. And no, I don't have a Rolex or a Ferrari, and I also don't live in Dubai, but I've been able to create my dream life and reach all of my goals so far. So to thank you for being with me on this journey, when we hit 30,000 subs, I'm going to be giving away $2,000. All you need to do is to watch the video until the end, subscribe, and share it with a friend to push it in the algorithm. Let's just do some simple math. If you're selling a $50 product, you need 200 sales to make $10,000. So if you wanted to make $10,000 per month, you would need to convince 200 new people every month to pay you. But on the other hand, if you sell a $1,500 coaching or service offer, you only need 7 customers to make $10,000 per month. That's less than 2 customers per week. So which one sounds easier in your opinion? Now I'll tell you hands down, selling a high-ticket coaching offer is the fastest way to build a profitable online business and to become financially free. And the best part is, you don't even need to be an expert to get started. Because being a coach isn't about knowing everything. It's about helping your ideal customer to go from point A to point B as quickly and as effortlessly as possible. You have to really understand that people do not pay for coaching directly. They pay for a result, a transformation. For example, if you've lost weight yourself and you've transformed your body, you got in shape, you could help busy executives to lose 20 pounds in 90 days without counting calories or without crash diets. That is a very attractive offer. If you've been able to grow an audience on social media, you can sell an offer to entrepreneurs and business owners to help them to grow a following on social media and make money with their brand. And even if you don't have a skill yourself, you can still partner up with experts to sell their knowledge as a coaching service while you focus on the sales and the marketing. And the reason why high-ticket coaching works so well is because people are willing to pay $1,500 to $3,000 to $5,000, sometimes even more than that, to fix their painful problems as quickly and as effortlessly as possible. The key to make this work is packaging your knowledge into a very clear, very specific offer, charging premium prices, delivering top-notch results, and getting customers mainly through content, because content is free advertising. But to give you my personal example, back in 2022, I started by offering my done-for-you lead generation services to entrepreneurs, mainly agency owners. I was helping them to book more sales calls with their ideal customers, and that worked incredibly well, because I figured if I needed to learn to book sales calls for my consulting business so I could become successful, then surely other business owners would have needed the same thing, and I was right. Now to help you, I've recorded a free video training in which I'm going to explain everything I did step by step to make upwards of $1,200 per day with my consulting business. That way, all you've got to do is to copy me step by step. I will leave the link in the description below, but you can also directly apply to book a call with me or my team, and we'll see if we can help you. Now, how do you sell high-ticket services even if you don't have any skills at the moment? Here's the thing, you don't need to personally do the work. Plenty of people come to me and they tell me, I don't have a skill I could just leverage. But that's actually okay, because you can leverage other people's skills. That's literally what every company in the world does. That's why they hire employees. Let's say you decided to sell video editing as a service. You don't need to be a video editor yourself to make this work. You find a client, you charge them $1,500 per month for a premium package, then you get a contractor, you pay them $500 per month, and you keep $1,000 per month. And this works for any type of service, whether it be a lead generation service, a paid advertising service, or video editing, or things related to content creation, or even web design, copywriting, email marketing, any high demand skill. Your job is simply to find customers, close them, and manage the whole process. Make sure the freelancers are actually doing the work correctly and on time. This is typically called service arbitrage, and it allows you to build a high-ticket service business without having to be an expert with decades of experience. Now, how do you get clients for free? By leveraging social media. A lot of people seem to think that the only way to get customers is through paid advertising, but that is simply not true. The fastest way to land high-ticket customers is organic, free social media content. This is literally free advertising advertising for businesses because social media is your customer pipeline. It's exactly the same thing as paid advertising, except it's free. So if you're not using it, you're not making content, you are leaving thousands of dollars per month on the table. So here's exactly how it works. You target simple content around your offer, aiming to give as much free value as possible to people in your market. People who've got the exact painful problem you can solve for them. For example, if you're selling fitness coaching, you post content related to fitness, so to diet, health, nutrition, exercise. If you're selling a business service, you post content around how to get more leads, how to increase sales in your business, how to convert a higher percentage of the business's sales call. What you really need to understand is that the more value you give out for free, the more people are going to trust you and want to work with you. Give away all the secrets, sell the implementation. I live and breathe by this quote. And here's actually the crazy part. You don't need to have millions of followers. You don't even need 10,000 followers. I mean, as you can see right now, I have a very small following on YouTube, and on Instagram, I don't even have 200 subs because a few dozen high quality leads per week is all that you need to build a 6-figure consulting business. And there's a lot of small accounts that make a lot more money than you realize because they're not chasing vanity metrics like likes, comments, and followers. Instead, they focus on making targeted content to attract their ideal customers to them. Now you need to understand that business is really just a numbers game. And the reason why most people fail is because they don't even track their numbers. Like honestly, it just shocks me because once you understand that business is simply mathematics, making money becomes so much easier. Let's say you want to make $10,000 per month. If you're selling a service or a coaching offer for $1,500, you only need 7 customers. And how do you get 7 customers? By taking 20 to 30 sales calls. And how do you get 20 to 30 sales calls? By posting daily content and starting real, genuine conversations with people. It's literally that simple. So as you can see, business is not magic. It's just following a process and repeating it. But here's the truth. 99% of people, including people watching this video right now, will never make $10,000 per month. Not because they're not capable of doing it, but rather because they make one deadly mistake. They listen to their doubts and fears. They start overthinking everything. They waste weeks, even months, years, trying to find the perfect business model, watching every YouTube video, reading all of the books, but they never actually start doing anything. Or if they do, they give up halfway there. You cannot become confident before taking action. You gain confidence through massive action. So if you wait until you feel 100% ready, in a year from now, you will be in the exact same spot. So if you're serious about making money fast, here is the exact roadmap you need to follow. Step 1, pick a service. It can be fitness coaching, social media management, lead generation, video editing, anything which is in high demand. Step number 2, if you're going to sell a done-for-you service and you don't know how to do it yourself, you need to find freelancers and contractors on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. You can also use LinkedIn. The third step is to create a very simple offer. For example, let's say you were to do fitness coaching. You could say something like, I help busy working professionals to lose 20 pounds in 90 days without having to spend hours in the gym or cut out their favorite foods from their diet. Step number 4 is to post daily content. You can post shorts because they get more exposure more quickly, but long form videos are also extremely beneficial because they convert leads into buyers much more easily because people spend more time with you. Step number 5 is to DM people and to book calls. If somebody likes your content, drops you a follow on platforms like Instagram or TikTok, you can message them and start a genuine conversation. Figure out if they're qualified for what you have to offer, and if they are, invite them to book a call to talk more. And step 6 is closing the deal. Once the prospect is on the call, if they're in, you take the payment, you onboard them, and then you start working with them. And that's basically it. Rinse and repeat. What I really want you to take away from this video is that success isn't just about luck. Mostly, it's about making your own luck. So if you want me to personally help you to start or to grow your business, I invite you to check out the free video training I made for you. I'll leave the link in the description below, or you can also directly apply to book a call with me or my team, and we'll see if we can help you. With that being said, I will be waiting for you on the other side.